still warm. I am not good with hot. I've been looking at air conditioning units. Oh, TikTok, I've got like loads available, and obviously I won't be just getting just like because I've seen it on there cheap or whatever, because I need it to do its job, not like pretend to do its job and then go, nope, you're gonna have hot water, hot air now. So Monica's got an amazing one from Very. Speaking of Very, I got a bit naughty. I have ordered a lot of things from Very. I went a little bit overboard. I went a little bit overboard. But they got some new Harry Potter stuff, so I really wanted to do it, and I'm very excited. So, yeah, you know, just like that was my thumbnail right there. Right, okay, so we're gonna get into. I don't know, because I know what's in that one, and I can't remember what's in this one. I remember a few things. I sent Monica a message saying you never guess what. She was like, I'm Betsy building it, so I have ordered some Lego. Okay, so let's just go in it, right? Let's just open it, yeah. So that's my. I don't even want to know how much everything cost. That's fine. It doesn't say how much. It's fine. I don't want to know. Right, so we're gonna get into some Lego first, yeah. So it went. Oh, excuse me, the camera. Right, so this piece I've been looking at for a while because I've liked it for quite some time, but because this is from Goblet of Fire's Lego set, and I'm not a massive Goblet of Fire fan. If they did a Yule, they have done a Yule Ball, haven't they? I didn't think the Yule Ball one was that nice. There was hardly any like Yule Ball stuff in it. It was very basic. However, this one does look quite funky. I do quite like it. So we've got the Trial, the Black Lake Trial Lego set, which comes with quite a lot, and it wasn't expensive. This was actually quite one of the quite cheaper sets. This was, so I was quite impressed by it. But this has been like getting my attention for quite some time, and I do love my Harry Potter Lego, but I'm running out of places to put it. So Monica was like, Mum, you have no choice. I am going to be building stuff, and I said, you're building it, you find where to put it. That is it. You are finding where to put it. So she was like, yeah, like the cat tree or the floor, or there's plenty of places for it. I was like, what? Fair enough. Anyway, so this is the Black Lake Trial. What I love with this, excuse the noise, Harry's doing his room. What I love about this is there's so many pieces, people that you get in this set as well. So I do like that. So let me put my glasses on, see if I can see who exactly is included. So Victor Crumb comes, and he's also got the shark head, so you can change him into the shark head. Does it come with Fleur Delacour? It doesn't come with Fleur Delacour. I suppose she failed, didn't she? So it comes with a mer person, Victor Crumb, Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, and Hermione Granger. So it doesn't come with Cedric Diggory or Fleur Delacour. So I'm quite surprised at that, but I really do like how it's a two-piece. So I did see somebody had actually put this in their fish tank, and it looked so cool. So I loved that. I'd love to have done that. And then you got Victor Crumb of it on a boat there for some reason, I don't know. So I have been eyeing that up. So I did get it. I've got loads of Lego sets that haven't been opened and like built. So Monica's gonna have a field day at Christmas. That is literally like her Christmas thing. She plays Sims and she builds Lego. Right, okay, so the next item, I don't know what this is. One colour. This could be Lego. You know when you know, right? You must be able to sympathise with me. Late night, bored, nothing else to do but surf on the internet, as in like shopping. Anyone else find that is like a really dangerous time to like be on your phone? Because I was talking to one of my friends, and she said that nighttime is one of the worst times to be on her phone when it comes to shopping. Yeah, it's another Lego set. Oh, I remember what this one is. It doesn't say anything on the top, but I remember what this one is. Let me see which way is the front. I think it's that way around. Okay, I've been eyeing this up since it was released, or since it was mentioned, and I saw it in Harry Potter Studios, and I had to have it. So it is absolutely wicked. I did even say that I would probably invest. I didn't, although I should have. Although this I did get this. It was on sale. All the stuff I've bought today was on sale and Very. So I did get it on sale, but it was on discount in Harry Potter shop. But I think it was still cheaper on Very. So it is the Mandrake plant Lego set. So, and what's really hilarious is you can actually pull the Mandrake out. And his little ugly face, look at that. It's just brilliant. And you can actually obviously pull it out as well. So that is just so cool. It doesn't make noise, which is a good thing because it's very noisy. You don't really need them to make noise. You can just pretend and just like, you know, just listen to your kids screaming at each other. It's perfect. So I had to get that. I loved the idea of this. It's just got to be done. Bloody love it. Had to be done. It's just such a wicked set, and I love anything to do with mandrakes, so this was one of the first things on my list when I was looking. So I really am excited to build this. I think I will build this, Mon. You are not building this one. I want to build this one, and I want to put it next to my Bradford Exchange Mandrake plant. So I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I've got to do that. So these next things, actually Warner Brothers told me about. Warner Brothers Social, when I was having a lovely chat with them the other day. Oh God. So I actually quite like the idea of seeing what this is about. So they're quite popular. So these are, they're like squashies, like plushies. But apparently they've become really, oh my God, they feel so soft. I can see Harry pinching this. So it's a squashy Harry Potter, what are they called? Squishmallows. They are squishmallows. You can get Harry in his Quidditch outfit, you can get Hedwig, you can get Harry in his normal school clothes, and I'm not sure about the others, but my God, they are so soft, and you can properly, really squish him. So this, I won't have this for long. Harry will pinch it. He will definitely pinch it. He's at the moment, he's doing his room, so he's oh my God, look at the size of his ears, look at that. So, you know, he will definitely pinch it. All his bloody plushies, right, from his room are on my bedroom floor at the moment. They are on my bedroom floor. I have literally got to go up like an assault course to get into my room to do anything. So it's a good job I'm filming, because I think I'd end up throwing the plushies at him. So that is very cute. Again, I can't remember how much it was, but it is very cute. It's the softness it is. It's like a cushion, but it's not. It's like proper softage. So yeah, I have a softage one. I'm running out of room for my plushie, so I'm partly hoping Harry pinches it from me. So that's that one. And then I got another plushie one. So this one is Hedwig. Look at her, she's so cute. Look at her little wings. She's so beautiful. The Hedwig Squishmallow. She is so cute. So she is being kept with me because I like Hedwig. I like her. She's very squishy and just really soft like that. So she's really, and her little tail, look at her, they're so cute. She's proper coated. She really is. So I've got Harry and I've got Hedwig. And then this item, I bought this, right, before it started going nuts online, because I've had this for about a week, these parcels, waiting to be able to film. And this is actually, people have been going nuts about this item online, so I'm glad I ordered it, because I get to see what the fuss is about. Hang on, wrong way round. So this is a Mattel toy. It's a Polly Pocket, and it's a Harry Potter one. It's a Harry Potter contact, like Polly Pocket. So the last time they did these, oh my God, was so long ago, because I actually have a lot of the Polly Pockets. So this one is the newest like Polly Pocket I've ever seen. So let's take it out of the box. And then, okay, so it is for like kids, but you know, since when have I grown up? So we've got like a box here, which is quite cool. I like the fact that it's like presented in like this really cool box. So I think it's like a celebration of like, you know, going back to Hogwarts in a couple of months. Then you've got the trio there, and you've got Hedwig, and you've got Dumbledore and McGonagall. So this is definitely interesting. So I've seen a few people with this online, and I'm just really glad that I've actually ordered one. So this is it. So you've got the reflection of all my Disney stuff in front. So I will take it out of the box so you guys can see it properly, and so I can see it properly, because I'm fascinated by this. That's so cool. I love it, and it's got Ariana there in the mirror. Oh, that's so wicked. I like that. Oh my god, this is so cool. Right, so let me show you this before I start pulling it apart and playing with it. So this isn't for kids, this is for adults, including myself, okay? Everything's taped down, which I don't like because it means I'm going to take longer to get into it. You've got a Hedwig like here, and it's like the dinkiest little Hedwig I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, you've got a trolley. Okay, I have to be really carefully because I know I'm going to break stuff. So let me just pull everything out. Right, did I just break Harry? No, he does move. It's fine. It's fine. Whew, it's fine. Oh my god, it's even got a little Hogwarts Express. And the nosy one is in. Oh, this is adorable. Sorry. Adults, what adults? Where the hell did that go? Oh my god, Hermione Granger just flew. I'm flying, Jack. Oh no, wrong film. Right, so Hermione Granger just went whee! So there is a boat, but I don't know how to get it out. And the boat went flying as well. So we have a boat. Oh my god, this is so funny. I think this is like the funniest thing I've opened in my life. They package it well, bloody hell. I don't even know how to get into half of this. Right, okay. Oh my god, we've even got like Great Hall stuff. Right, so you've got Dumbledore. So popping him down. I've got Ronald Weasley. And then I think we've got... oh my god, you even get cups. Like, proper little cups. And what is that? We've got a stack of books. And more cups. Is that a cup? Is that another cup? Hang on. Yeah, it's another cup. You get a sorting hat? No! That's so cool. You get the sorting hat. You get like Hogwarts like professor cups, you know, the adult like wine glasses that they drink out of. Be very careful because these could easily disappear, as in losing them, yeah. Right, I'm trying to get the sorting hat out. I'm failing. Ahsoka, you've just come in. Can you give me a minute? Because I've taken everything out now from what I can tell. Oh, hang on, no, there's a bit there. Hang on, just very carefully get that sticky bit. God, they do not make it easy for you to take this out. Right, is that it now? Is that all the main bits now? Right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is so cool. I'm so glad I ordered those. Okay, so this is the inside of it. So it is Polly Pocket. It's the official Polly Pocket. And I'm just going to... I love the fact that it's a wand. Little carry thing. And then you've got, obviously, you've got loads of sparkle and stuff in there as well. For the Harry Potter bit. I love that. I absolutely love that. And I love the fact that you've got... She's playing with the packaging. And I love the fact that you've got this wand to carry it. So, forget kids. This is not for kids. This is for adults, this is. Oh my god, that puts the candles up and down. Look at that. That's so cool. So, in this, you get a little train. Little choo-choo. You know, Sheldon Cooper would be thrilled. You know, it has its own little train station. Like there, where the train sits. I mean, that is just wicked. I bloody love that. That's fantastic. You get a little boat as well. So I'm assuming that's like a little dock there for the boat. So obviously you sail up to the boat with all your little characters in. I bloody love it. It's just so cool. So you get your little sorting hat, which I'm assuming the sorting hat goes like there or something, but then it doesn't. It can't go there because you've got figures there. So you've got a little sorting hat that goes there. Then you've got a little trolley to go with your little train. It's so cute. I just love it so much. And you've got your little boat. And then you've got your little McGonagall as well, just here. So you can pop her at the... You can pop her... She's not really going to stand on the table, but she's standing on it for now. Oh no, that's where the cups go. Hang on. Is that where the little... Is that the little jibbies at the back there, is it? Where you can put your little Professor McGonagall. See, this is definitely for little fingers, because my fingers are too big. I can't get Professor McGonagall in there. Hang on. Oh, yes I can. Professor McGonagall is now behind the table. Professor McGonagall, and then you get little Professor Dumbledore. Just there, so I'm going to put him behind. Oh, he needs to go that side. Is there another professor? Because there's 3 slots, but there's like only 2 professors. So Professor Dumbledore has gone behind. He's sat at his table, his chair. And then you've got a stack of books, which can go... Oh, does it go up? No way. That is so cool. It's got a little black lake in it as well. Oh my god, it's got a little black lake in it. I did not mean to find that out. That is freaking awesome. That is so wicked. So how does this work then? I'm literally going to be playing with this for hours today now. That is just so cool. So I'm literally putting all these little bits in to keep them safe because I'm worried I'll lose them, which is a good thing really to have that, because it means that you can put your little figurines and stuff down there as well, you know. So then you've got little cups that can go on the table as well. So I'm just putting them on that table, and then another little cup on that table, and then you've got a Hedwig. So I'm not quite sure where Hedwig could go. She could go maybe by the teacher's table sort of thing, maybe, because you know she's quite high and mighty, and Hedwig, she's amazing. So then you got cups. Sorry, Professor, I'm actually blocking your face with a cup. And then I've got a little Ron. So you got a little Ronald Weasley. So you got Ron here, so he can go there. And then you've got a little dinky Hermione Granger as well, so she can go maybe there. And then you got little Harry Potter. This is like the wicked, this is the most coolest thing I think I've ever bought. Spare it, like last minute sort of thing, like having a bit of fun. Can you change that? Is that something you can change? At the moment it's showing Ravenclaw house. Just wondering if that can be, it looks like it can be changed. Oh, wicked. Okay, so you can get your little like mascot, right? Okay, so I'm having a field day here. You can get your little mascot, right? You can sit his bum in the chair like that, okay? And at the back then, it's got the house crest. You push the seat down and it changes the crest. That is just so cool. Okay, Harry, you are a Ravenclaw right now. Is that all right? Yeah? Fab? Brilliant. Okay, hang on. Let's put him into Gryffindor. Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Hogwarts, Gryffindor. Let's put it to Hogwarts. There we are. This is like the funnest thing I've had in ages. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I never had Polly Pockets when I was a kid. Monica did. She loved them. But I had the Harry Potter ones because obviously I was collecting them. So I collected them as an adult. I'm certainly not an adult anymore. I'm just like completely immature. But oh my god, this is like the funniest thing ever. I love it. I wonder if because there's lots of spaces. I wonder if there's spaces because you can get more figures. I want them all. This is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to shut it up now. Hopefully it should close. Let's put them flat because I don't want to lose anything, so I want to keep it all together like that. That is just, I love it. I absolutely love it. That's like the first, oh, I love it. That is like the best thing ever. I'm gonna have a play later and be like I'm 44 and you wouldn't think it. Oh my god, that's platform 9 and 10. Look at that. So that's where he runs with the trolley. Genius. Absolute genius. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm sorry, but everything else is just useless now. It's just nothing else matters anymore. Okay, so the last item that I have is a rather large Lego set. Okay. It is a rather large Lego set. But Monica's like, I backed you making it. I backed you making it. So I'm like, you know what? If you can find somewhere to put it, which I doubt very much you will, go for it. That Polly Pocket thing is wicked. I love it. Okay, so. Okay. Alright, ready to ship. Is it that way around, is it? Okay, you ready? Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh my god. I didn't realise how heavy it was actually until it arrived. Okay, you ready? It's the wrong way round. It's the bloody wrong way round. Okay, okay. Trousers are up now. Ready? Oh, it is the new Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle. Woo! Okay, so me and Harry were the first people in Wales to buy the castle, the big Lego castle. Oh, they got a bow batting carriage as well. And I absolutely loved it. It took us between myself, Daniel, Harry and Connor, who lives down the road, 27 hours to build that castle. And it was like I'd been given £350 holiday fund, as in like with my job, because I'd earned so much money, and I used that 350 to buy the Lego set. We literally sat outside the Lego shop waiting for the store to open. We were the first. So proud. And me and Harry were just like, oh, we couldn't wait to get it home and get it started. So when they announced they were doing a smaller version, I was umming and ahhing about getting it. But I love that original castle so much. And I know that they discontinue sets. And I think this is one set I would be devastated if they discontinued. The same with, if I hadn't had it and they discontinued it. Same with the Ministry of Magic. I got that one a while back and I was worried I wouldn't get it. But luckily I was sent that by a company. I think I got it from Zavi. So this is the smaller Hogwarts Castle. I absolutely love it. Hogwarts Castle and grounds. And that's why another reason why I like it is because it's the grounds as well, the lake. So you got the Durmstrang ship, which I didn't realise. And you've got the Beauxbaton carriage, which I do actually have the Lego set of that. But it's like in bits now in a box because I had it for so long. And I love that it's like the steps as well going up to Hogwarts. We've got all the foliage and the trees and everything as well. So, and then the back of it then, a much smaller scale than the original, however still a lot of fun with it. So obviously you get the Archie the Architect as well. You've got the Whomping Willow and the Flying Car. So you got the chess set. So you've got the Philosopher's Stone set. But I love how you've got the Black Lake. I love the Black Lake. It really brings the set together. So I was very excited to get this. So what do we get with this? So we get Archie the Architect and the Beauxbaton carriage, which is 2,660 pieces. I think the Hogwarts Castle original was 6,500 pieces. So it was a lot. But it's not a very big set. This isn't a very big set. And that's why I like it. But it is weighty. There's a hell of a weight to this packet, to this box. And you've even got the greenhouses here as well, which I really like. So, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm warm now. That is the end of my very shopping haul. My very naughty shopping haul that I did. So, but I haven't bought anything from there for ages, and I thought, do you know what? Late night, not a good thing. So I ended up buying a load of stuff. But that Polly Pocket set, it's just so cute. I literally just got it on a whim. It wasn't that expensive. And I thought, you know what? Why not, innit? It's so cute. And there's loads of like stars. The stars are all the shape of the, I don't know if you can see it. The stars are all the shape of the Yule Ball decoration as well. So it's not like a random like star. They generally are the shape of the Yule Ball decoration, which I love. They're just so cute. There's so much of them. It's just so much fun. I love it. I can't wait to have a play with it. It's just really adorable. So that is it. I would love to know your thoughts on the items that I've chosen from Very. That's so cool. Until next time, take care. I love you all, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Bye-bye. Want to check out more of my content? Take a look at this video right here or this video right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.